What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So this is what the non-standard OnePlus 11 Jupiter Rock Limited Edition looks like. For the production of the cover of which a separate line is needed at the factory. OnePlus has been working on the cover materials for OnePlus 11 Special Edition for a year. And so far the yield is poor. OnePlus announced a special version of the OnePlus 11 with a custom cover last week. Associations with the surface pattern of the Jupiter led the Chinese to speculate that the cover of this model will be made of marble. In fact, everything turned out to be wrong. The cover of the device is volumetric microcrystalline rock material. That is, rock is used to produce the lid, but which one is not specified. But much is said about the features of production. So each piece of rock is selected by hand and then goes through 9 stages of processing, resulting a natural grain. The production efficiency is only a quarter of that of glass back panels, and the yield of finished products is only 50%. That is, every second rock cover is defective. Interestingly, the production of the OnePlus 11 Jupiter Rock Limited Edition cover, that's what the new version of the smartphone is called, requires a separate production line. Finally, OnePlus revealed that it took a full year of research and development work. The OnePlus 5G Jupiter Rock Limited Edition features a 6.7 inches QHD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate support. It has a punch hole cutout in the upper left corner, 1300 nits peak brightness support for Dolby Vision. Under the hood, it has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It comes with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage option. The device comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The smartphone also misses out on wireless charge support, but it has 100W charging for wired fast charging. It has a triple camera setup tuned by Hasselblad. There is a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP telephoto camera. For selfies, it has a 16MP front camera. The smartphone is currently available in 2 storage options. The base model of this phone is priced at $690 for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB variants. Likewise, its 16GB RAM variant is priced at $750. The device is available in internal green and Titan black colors. The OnePlus 11 5G Jupiter Rock Limited Edition is expected to be available for purchase from the end of the next month. The official premiere of the OnePlus 11 Jupiter Rock Limited Edition will take place on March 29. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.